Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Andreja Premium Evo Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up. This one definitely needed a tune-up because the shower screen was clogged. As you can see, you can barely see through the opposite side of this one. And yeah, that's just all coffee stuck in there. And also the gasket was leaking. This is no longer a gasket. This is just a hard plastic. Yeah, it's no longer a gasket. So we replace the gasket, replace the shower screen, deep clean everything inside the E61 group head, back flush this machine a lot of times, and descaled it. There was a lot of scale build-up as well on this machine, so we descaled the boiler and made sure to descale the steam one and the steam one and the hot water one. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right one series of this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna still drink coffee or coffee barely drinking. I should have tempered just a little bit more. You can see it's pouring a little bit fast. That should be around 2 ounces. Yeah, I should have put a little bit more coffee in order to get that beautiful crema. Yep, totally. Should have put a little bit more coffee. Still, we were able to get a nice layer of crema. 2 ounces of water. Perfect. Water flow this machine. Focus. It's great. Like that. Okay, perfectly fine. Steamer. Nice and powerful. Focus camera. Perfect. Really good pressure coming out of the machine. Really good steam. And for the hot water, excellent pressure as well. And there you have it, Andrea Premium Evo working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.